Hey guys, it's Patrick, PCTV. How you doing? I'm here in Escondido, Cruisin Grand Escondido, and I'm hanging out at the Rat's Nest. It's known as the 5150 Rat Rod Crew. So, what a great night!
5150 Rat Rods and Cruisin Grand on Broadway to feature cars tonight.
So you guys pulled it off.
35 cars here, 35 Rat Rods.
And everybody had their tetanus shots?
You need it to touch them.
Yep.
That's right. I go, two things you need to own a rat rod: a complete lack of common sense and a tetanus shot.
Yep.
And a welder.
and well, yeah, stick welder. An old tombstone stick welder.
Yep.
We do.
Yep. Yep.
Well, there you go. Thanks again.
Hey.
If there's such a thing as a premier rat rod club, this is probably it right here. You're going to see some of the craziest cars ever here in San Diego, Escondido area. Friends of mine, they're great guys. If you're into rat rods, this is the place to be. This goes off every Friday night in Escondido. We made it down. I'm currently not working, so I went ahead and drove my old truck down here. Look at this radiator cooler set up in the back. She's a choppy little ride. Series 1. Suicide doors. Look at the custom hinge work on this thing. All bare metal. USMC. Look at the freaking winged headers on this thing. Small block. Radiators in the back. There's no grill, no radiator, which gives it a pretty cool look. Look at the connecting rods for the headlight mounts. Just super, super cool. Right here, we got Alley Cat in the house. 39 Ford. He's been rolling this thing forever. Good guy. Great guy. Worked for Nabisco for years. PCTV supporter. Needs some fresh stickers. This man's been around. He's a good guy. Small block. Alley Cat.
What's up?
What's happening?
What's going on?
Just doing a little walk around here, checking out
I want
5150.
to tell my honey, I miss you.
Where's my honey? My alley
Where's
kitten.
my carrot? Where's the
Oh.
alley kitty?
Is she at home?
She better be.
Oh, she'll be home when you get there, right?
Yeah.
All right. Alley Cat in the house. All right. Good talking to you, bro. Off I go. Let's go walk around. Robert's here. Let's see what we got for artwork here in the back of the Chanel number 2, or the Chanel. This is used to be called the Dirty 6. It's changed names a few times as Robert has developed this thing. But look at the work that my buddy's done here. He's got a Chanel bag. He went ahead and Chanel themed it because his wife's favorite designer is Chanel. So as a stick in the eye, he went ahead and built this. And drives her crazy, but she loves it. And she is a complete Chanel freak, and that's why he built this and themed it this way. Look at that, 331. Actual Chanel display bottle, counter display bottle from Rodeo Drive. And he is a Lyft driver and Uber, so if you guys need a ride, let him know. This is Rosie Palm. Look at that. Ball tires, wood roof. Two things you need here is a total lack of common sense and safety knowledge, and a up-to-date tetanus shot. And that way you can drive and own a rat rod with little worries, because you really don't know what's going on half the time as it is. Looking like a Cadillac motor. Look at these headers. These things are insane when they fire this thing up. This is Ace's car. A lot of our club members have joined from Surf City Classics. They've all become now 5150 Rat Rod members. Mike picked this up. He's out of Fullerton. He's one of our Surf City Classic members. There we go. King and Queen seat on a 50cc. Another one here. This is just hardcore. This is Robert's. Rat infested. Look at Farmall Grill. Look at that. We got the 4 guys right here. We got the high power guys right here.
Hey, I want to take pictures and do a bro.
Look at this. Beautiful. Little 371 blower on this sucker. 1-to-1 drive. Again, all heat wrapped. Right next to it, we got Johnny's car here. And he's gloss on top and paint on the bottom. Johnny's done a great job on this ride. Chevrolet grill. Not sure if it's a 27, but I tell you, this thing's beautiful. 383 stroker. Rat rods have gone to the next level. And again, this is the host club tonight here at Escondido. Let's get a better look at Johnny's car. See how the snap-on tonneau roof. Like I said, all metal. There's no airbags in these cars, no collapsible columns. You die like men. Beer keg in the back for gas. It's pretty sick. This one's Mark Goodacre's car. He drove this down. It's an LS6. Might be an LT1. The suspension, everything is cantilevered, full custom built. It's an insane vehicle. You hear this thing fire. When you hear these pipes go off, it's crazy. He spared no expense in building this rad rod. Look at where he's gone in. Look at the cut work there. He did with his air is actually pulled in from the cab, and that's why he gets good clean air inside. A lot of features on this one. Look at the seats on this. Nice Pennzoil pan. Super comp gauges. Look at that bar shifter. Even his battery, his air tank for his air ride. It's an old car extinguisher. Look at these tires, man. What are these? 24s. Net G0s. And of course, being a 5150 rat, you got to have a rat ride shotgun, right, baby? Tear down the barrel of that one. So this one belongs to the club president, and obviously it's going to be one of the most psycho of all the bunch here. This belongs to Jim. His doors are held on with flathead screwdrivers. There you go. Check that out. Those are the door hinges, couple flatheads. Actually, they might be Phillips. Another flatheads. He's actually got real seats in this thing. That's pretty unusual. A lot of chain. Take a look at this. Dual high-rise metal block, manifold with L-block carburetors on a big block. This thing screams. Look at this front grille, Sea King. Look at this V8 with his timing gears. Right next to it. This also, I believe, is Rob's. Crazy grill on this thing. We got recorded music, so we'll see how we go there, but there's a Hudson grill on this one. There you go. Now this one's also Robert's grill. This is Robert out of Scottsdale. Nice guy. He drove this all the way from Arizona. Look at the diamond plate here. Very sweet. What's up, brother?
Hey, man.
How's it going?
Yeah, dude.
Having a great day today. A lot of fun.
Sure. Lots of fun. Always fun visiting the family from back home, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm from San Diego originally, and I moved out to Arizona like 7 years ago.
Oh, so okay.
So all these trips that you see me come out, it's just more than just like coming out for a car show. I come out and I visit family and.
Well, this was my home for 11 years down in PB, and I moved out in '94. I can't believe it's been 30 years since I left San Diego. And it's funny to be here because I still have that feeling of home.
And that's why I love coming home. I come home and I feel like I'm home. I get to like kind of reconnect with everybody all over again. And
it's nice.
It was fun too. Like everybody was. When I first started coming out and back and forth, and I met Jim and Mark, and there were probably only like 10 guys in this group.
Yeah.
There wasn't that many guys in this group, man.
Yeah.
And it's crazy as I come out here now.
Look what it's
there's
turned
like 30. There's like 30 cars here, and every single one of these guys have a plaque. You know what I mean? Like up on their car and stuff. So
I got asked the other day, when am I getting my plaque?
Yeah, you do too,
they go,
man.
you qualify.
This guy won too.
You're an honorary member. You qualify. You don't have a rat rod yet.
Yes, yeah, you
Yes.
do. You gotta get one, man.
I know. I'm there. I think I'm gonna sell my cowbug. I got a Dennis cowbug. I'm thinking about selling to a car.
Build a car?
Yeah.
That was the way I was able to get the car.
Yeah,
They're called
cool,
the cheese.
so many great
There's just enough tread to be legal on the outside edge and in the center. And then
Four
the
gauge
center
shifter.
doesn't even really have to have tread. They just have to have tread.
All right, man.
No, you can buy these.
You got a COE here. This is one of the most popular areas. Anytime the rat rods come in, it's packed to the gills. This is Jim's. He custom built this completely in his garage. He designed the whole cantilever and lift-up system on the hood. He's really put a lot of engineering. Of course, you got to have a cow skull on there. You can tell the kids just despise this thing. small block. Center pin, so it should be like post 90. Oh, actually, it's a 94 LT1 out of the Camaro. Chain steering wheel. This is John's car, excuse me. Here's the Red Ryder. Gotta have a Red Ryder. But, you know, problem with rat rods, you might lose an eye. You even got back seats in this thing, man. He's welded in the doors, no windows, so people don't have to see what's going on outside. That's what the windshield's for. Got his country singer out back. Got more cars firing up. Look at this barbed wire grill here. Again, gotta have tetanus shot. Cars are starting to leave. There's El Cuervo. But yeah, we got a rollout right here. Guys are heading out. Rats are out. We got all kinds of moving around going on here. You're good here. On this sucker, all terrains, full-blown mail truck. It's almost like a Hummer. Ammo can. Yeah, so Willie's mail truck has been stretched, rusted, patinaed. It's been done to it. It's even almost got wheel wells. Like I said, the kids love these things. El Cuervo's over here. But yeah, this is one I have not seen, and it's just extra unusual. I love how he did the front stretch here. Look at the front end suspension on this thing. Gearbox setup. There's a little bit of the original blue from the mail truck. He left that on there. Small block setup. Here's El Cuervo. Caddy 500. Off the hook. Runs on race gas. This is a serious amount of power right here. And he is not afraid to drive this thing, man. Take a look. Got a steering wheel hung up here. There you go. Rat rods are heading out. Let's go check out some more stuff. So the back row here, thinned out a little bit. Rust these parts. Again, you know, it's hard to explain these cars because they're just, half the time you don't know what the years are, what they're built from, what the heck they are. This is a 1960 Galaxy, if I'm not mistaken. This is John's car. This is the Federale car. This actually won at the Rat City Ruckus, most likely to be impounded. And it's a crazy car. He's a bodybuilder, athlete, and he drives this insane luchador Mexican Mafia Galaxy Policia.
Really glad to see you guys had your shirt.
Take a swoop over the top.
What do you think of this car?
There you go. This is the Rat Rod 54 at Cruisin Grand Escondido. This is Patrick, PC TV. Thanks for watching.